Hello and welcome to DouglasESL. This is the How to Use Pronouns series, lesson number 3. And in this video, we're going to talk about demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives. This is an introductory video. Demonstrative pronouns stand in for a person, place, or thing that can be a subject or an object in a sentence. The 4 demonstrative pronouns are this, that, these, and those. Demonstrative adjectives are used to modify a noun and identify someone or something. They are also this, that, these, and those. So this, that, these, and those can be used as demonstrative pronouns or demonstrative adjectives. There are other demonstrative adjectives. There's many more. But in this video, we're just going to talk about this, that, these, and those. Here's our examples of demonstrative pronouns. Sentence number 1. This is my pencil. Number 2. That is Bob's chair. Number 3. These are her shoes. Number 4. Those are jet planes. This, that, these, and those. They're the 4 demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative adjectives examples. Number 1. This car is new. Number 2. That car is expensive. Number 3. These shoes are wet. And number 4. Those planes are flying fast. This, that, these, and those. Demonstrative adjectives come before the noun they're modifying. So this car, that car, these shoes, those planes. And there's a lot more demonstrative adjectives than just these 4. Here's a table I created to show you the difference of how we use this, that, these, and those, depending on how near or how far something is from you, or the speaker or the writer of the sentence, and if it's singular or plural nouns. So if it's singular and it's near, it's this microphone, this pencil, this car. If it's singular and near you, near the speaker, this. If it's singular and it's far, it's that car, that pencil, because it's far away from you. Plural, near, is going to be these microphones, these pencils. Plural, far away, is those. This, that, these, and those, depending on if it's singular or plural, and if it's near you or the speaker or far away. Here's our demonstrative pronouns and adjectives assessment. Choose which underlined words are either demonstrative pronouns or adjectives, and determine if they are near or far. So I'll read the sentences for you and you can make your determinations. Number 1. Do you like this chicken soup? Number 2. This is very good. Number 3. That is not mine. Number 4. These puppies are very cute. Number 5. Can you help me eat this pizza? And number 6. Bring me those. So you need to determine if the underlined word is being used as a demonstrative pronoun or adjective, and if it's either near or far from the speaker. You can pause the video to give you a little bit more time to make your determination. Okay, let's see how you did. Number 1. Do you like this chicken soup? Near. And it's an adjective. It comes before the noun, chicken soup. This chicken soup, and it's near. Number 2. This is very good. It's also near, but it's a demonstrative pronoun. Number 3. That is not mine. Demonstrative pronoun that. It's far away. Number 4. These puppies are very cute. These is a demonstrative adjective modifying puppies. These puppies, they're near. Number 5. Can you help me eat this pizza? It's near, and it's a demonstrative adjective, modifying pizza. This pizza. And lastly, number 6, bring me those. Demonstrative pronoun, and it's far away. Please like, subscribe, and share to hear more English videos in the near future. Thank you for watching DouglasESL.